Hi, today's topic is bank reconciliation in Tally ERP 9. Reconciling the company's bank accounts with a bank statement is a fundamental and regular task of accounting. This process is referred to as bank reconciliation. In this section, you will learn to reconcile the company's bank accounts with your banker's statement. The bank where you hold a current account has sent a bank statement which is shown in the screen. To view and reconcile the transactions relating to bank account, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Display, select Account Books, select Cash or Bank Books, then select Bank Account. Press F12 and activate Show Narration to view the check numbers and other details of all transactions. Click F5, that is Reconcile, in Bank Account Ledger Display and additional button F5. Reconcile will be available on the button bar. The display now becomes an edit screen in the reconciliation mode. The primary components are a column for the banker's date, the reconciliation at the bottom of the screen showing balance as per company books, amounts not reflected in bank, and balance as per bank. Enter the bank date for the two payment vouchers of rupees 500 and rupees 600. As the dates are entered, you will find the bank balance as per company books is affected. The bank reconciliation screen appears as shown in the screen. Leave the dates blank for other vouchers and press enter till you accept the screen. To view the reconciled vouchers, press F12 and activate Show Reconciled Vouchers also. When you view the bank reconciliation again, only the vouchers which are unreconciled will appear. In the screen, you will find a bank statement from where you can reconcile your bank book as per the bank statement. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.